Yes, I think the people who has been joined yesterday only today joined. Okay, I think everyone has been listened to yesterday's recording. I hope so. So if you are not attended, so kindly please follow the demo recordings. Okay, so coming to yesterday, what we discussed about syllabus overview, and also we discussed about just we install some Visual Studio Code, and after completion of Visual Studio Code, and also let's see about live server, how to install the live server to see the output. Okay, to see the output, how to install the live server. That's it. Just I did not, and also I started with HTML. Let me try to continue the HTML part today. Okay, everyone. Pratima, I think you extended yesterday class. Hello, Pratima, is I audible for you? Hello, Pratima, is I audible for you? So let me try to continue the HTML, whatever it may be, which we have been started under yesterday. Okay. So before going to LWC, like we are discussing about HTML part and okay, and also we are discussing some CSS part, and after completion of that, we are designing some JavaScript. Then we are going to HTML. Okay, then we are going to LWC. Okay. So for example, okay, there are some div tags are there to divide HTML pages or divide the information like that. Okay, so div. Welcome to my HTML. These are the some of the normal types. For example, to indicate some paragraph. Okay, this is a paragraph. Just a P tag. Okay, and also to indicate there are two types of lists: ordered list and unordered lists. Okay, let's see the information about ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so inside UL, let me try to mention all the information in li tag. I need to mention the information like this. For example, if you want to see the output, yesterday I told you how to install the live server. The Charan Reddy has been missed in the yesterday class. Charan Reddy, kindly please see this. Okay, search for extensions. Search for the live server. Okay, see. You are able to see the live server. Kindly please install this particular live server in your Salesforce or I mean that in your Visual Studio. Okay. If you here there is a port will be enabled go live, click that particular go live option immediately. You can see the output here. See everyone able to see the output like the list information, whatever it may be. Just UL in terms like it is easy to display a dot like one by one. Yeah. If anyone have any doubts means kindly please ask me. I'll try to explain it again. Okay. Coming to HTML, there are some of the headings are presented. To represent the headings, we'll have a headings tab. So we have a H1. And also we have H2. And we have H3. These are nothing but just it is easy to decrease the size. Based on your requirement, you need to use any of the thing. Okay, based on your requirement, you can use any of the thing. So if you want to see the output, see. Everyone able to see it. First of all, it has been increased to large size. After that, it has been decreased to small. Again, it has been decreased to small. Like this, it is used to decrease the size of that particular heading. Okay. For example, if you want to apply some styling, H1, this is my LWC classes. Someone are messaging. If you have any doubts, means you can ask me. How did I view the output? Okay. Rana, I told you. Okay, just you can click the close server. Yesterday, I installed the live server. Yes. Okay, click this go live option. Okay, click this go live option. Whenever if you click the go live option, immediately it will be connected to your Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Okay. So immediately I can see the output. Yes, Rana. Yes, if you have any doubts, so difference between the HTML code writing and executing browser and Visual Studio Code. Just we are writing, okay, we are writing the particular code. Whenever if you done some UI, immediately if you click the live server, immediately the particular output is displaying. Okay. So what is div tag? Once please speak if you have doubts. Yeah. Yeah, div tag is nothing but to divide the information, to divide the like information which are presented inside the HTML. Okay. Div tag is nothing but to divide the HTML information, like to divide the lines, okay, one by one, to divide the blocks. Okay, so I'm applying some styling here. So I'm applying font size as 60 pixel. Okay, and also I'm applying the color is equal to red. See, I think somewhat it will be attractive as comparing to previous because we applied some styling. See, so it is been indicating as a red color because I mentioned color is equal to red and font size is equal to 60 pixel. Okay, that's why it has been indicated like this. Let me try to see some other things for your better clarity. For example, to display different types of images, okay, we'll use IMG tag. So coming to the LWC, we'll upload that particular images in the Salesforce org. Then we can import. In coming classes, I'll tell you. Just I'm importing some images from the Pixum. Okay, I'm importing 300 images. Out of 300, I'm importing 300. For example, you can see the output now. See, some output is coming, some different image. Whenever if you refresh its screen, other image will become. Out of 300 to like out of 300, 200 images will be displayed one by one. Because I mentioned HTTP pixel 200 by 300. Yeah. Different types of images are used to be displayed.
Uh, Actually, these images are not coming automatically.
Yes, these images have been coming from this particular like a Pixum, okay, website. These images have been coming from the Pixum website, coming to LWC. Okay, so we'll upload this information in the static resources. Okay, then we can use these resources, whatever it may be. But
If
here
you
normally,
have, if any here options like you can dynamic, you can use the dynamic these images. Means
yes,
like jQuery or Ajax is used here.
yes, we can use it. We can use it. Okay, we can use it.
Okay.
In coming LWC classes, I'll discuss everything. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a separate module. In that particular module, I'll discuss. Okay, immediately whenever if you click on this particular information, Google immediately it will be navigated to www.google.com. Okay, see some URL will be created. So whenever if you click this, immediately it will be navigated to google.com /ahref. Let me try to see some other things also. Okay, for example, if you want to create some table in HTML, coming to LWC, we'll use this tag, lightning hyphen data table. So we'll take different types of examples. Okay, so it's entirely different in LWC. Just normally I'm explaining HTML as like a base. Just I'm using a table tag. Okay, just these are nothing but a columns. Inside TR, I need to mention all the columns. Okay, the company and also country. And also we have continent. Okay, and also we have a TR. So these are nothing but a values presented inside that particular company, country, and continent. We need to display that particular information in TD. But it is not in a structured manner. But coming to LWC, it is in a structured manner. You can see the output. These are nothing but values. Okay, let me try to see. It is not in a structured manner. Everyone able to see the output. It is not in a structured manner. But coming to LWC, whenever if you use a lightning data table, everything is in a structured manner. Okay. Just normally to display the table format, we'll use a lightning data table. That's why I told this concept. For your
But this table is not visible now, sir.
yes, it is visible. See, it is visible. I think you can able to see the output. The company content country, but in real time, whenever in the LWC, okay, it will represent like this in a clarified manner. So I'll show the output also in LWC. I think in future classes we'll try to illustrate this concept. So it's nothing but a lightning data table. Yeah, see this first name, last name, phone. Is it attractive as compared to that one? Like by using lightning data table tag, will represent this information. Okay. Also, so we have some types of lists. There are two types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. Okay. Okay, there are two types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. Okay, there are two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. Okay. So coming to ordered list, I'll tell you. Okay, it will be like ordered list will be indicated in between OL tag, OL. Unordered list will be indicated in UL tag. Let me try to see. Okay, inside that will indicate. The same thing will indicate in OL tag also. Okay. Yeah. So I'm saving all the information. I saved the information successfully. Let me go to the see everyone able to see. It will be indicated in a bullet format. It will be indicated in a 1, 2, 3 number format. Everyone able to see the difference between this on ordered list and unordered list. Hello.
Yes, for order list, it is a number coming for the content.
Yes. But coming to unordered list, it is coming as like a bullets. That is the difference. Okay. Yeah. And another thing is coming to whenever if you go to banking, you'll get different types of forms. Okay, this is nothing but by using lightning input tag. In LWC, we'll design everything by using lightning input tag. Okay, we'll design all the information by using lightning input tag in LWC. Okay, but here, so in HTML, we'll use input. Okay, this is the tag we'll use. But lightning input tag is very structured manner for user interface attractive also. Input tag is that user interface is not so looks attractive. Okay, as comparing to LWC. Let's see this forms. Okay, HTML forms. Okay, so for example, if you want to display the text box, input type is equal to text. For example, if you want to represent radio box, input type is equal to radio. For example, if you want to represent the checkbox, for example, if you want to represent submit, it's like a button. For example, if you want to represent a button, input type is equal to button. Okay, like this. You can represent all the information. But this information is not in a structured manner. But coming to LWC, everything is in a structured manner. See, everyone able to see the different information we got. We need to give a break tag to divide each and every information. We need to give a break tag here. Okay, we need to give a break tag here. But coming to, okay, we need to give a break tag here. Okay, we need to give a break tag here. Okay, so whenever if you want to divide the information, we need to give a break tag here. But coming to LWC, don't need to give any break tag. Automatically, it will be reflected, the information. Okay. Before this text box, if you want to display the first name like this form. Okay, first name, and you need to display the input box. Again, you need to give the break. I need to display the last name. See like this, first name, last name. But here it is not. So there is somewhat not so good as comparing to LWC. Definitely by using LWC, it will feel good as comparing to this user interface. Okay. Just normally for your visual understanding, I'm giving some huge idea. Okay. Everyone know about radio buttons? Everyone know about radio buttons?
Yes, I know.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
If you want to create some radio buttons or if you want to create some checkboxes, how we need to do in HTML? Let me try to see. Okay, let me try to see that particular information. Just I'm mentioning label. Just I have bike. Or Salesforce. Salesforce admin. And again, let me try to divide. Okay, let me try to vehicle 2. It's a development. And it is vehicle 3, it is LWC. For example, if you want to see this particular output, everyone able to see the output admin development LWC? It's a checkboxes. Everyone able to see? For example, if you given break tag on each and every information. Yes, see everything is been represented one by one, admin development and LWC. Yeah. Let's see how to create radio buttons. Radio buttons. Say checkboxes, not radio buttons, it's a checkboxes.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, of course, please.
On line number 71, you have used just BR, and on line number 75, you have used the closing BR. So what we have to use?
Yes, you can use anything.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we can use radio buttons. So instead of input type, let me try to mention input type is equal to radio buttons. Okay, let me try to mention the language. Hindi. And let me try to give all the information. Okay, let me try to use English. Let me try to use Telugu. And other languages. If the person is from other state, they will select other language. Like Tamil, Malayalam, like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, if you can see the output. Everyone able to see the output, so we can give the break. Hindi, English, Tamil, whatever it may be. Everyone able to see some difference in between the previous and now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so this is nothing. For example, if you want to create a drop down, anyone remembered like in the account object we have a rating hot, warm, and cold like that. Like for example, if you went to any, if you are interested to like pursue any, I mean that for example, like if you are going to insurance, okay, they'll say you want a premium insurance or you need life insurance or you need health insurance, different types of insurances they use it to discuss. In LWC, we'll use lightning combo box tag. So we'll take a different types of examples there. Here we are using different thing. Okay, let me try to see the combo box.
What is use of combo box here?
Combo box, I'll tell you. So first of all, for example, if you want to select any pick list, for example, if you are filling any application, they will ask you location, Hyderabad, Bangalore, like that. You remember?
Yes, we can
Like
use
that.
here drop down list.
Yes. That is nothing but lightning combo box in LWC. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever and I'm teaching an LWC, I'll discuss a particular concept. Okay. So I'm choosing a car.
Sorry for the interrupt. Can I means I have one question here.
Okay.
Uh, uh, in LWC here, any use of collection framework?
Collection framework in terms like list set and map you're asking.
Yes.
Like whenever we are designing Apex classes, okay, then we need to use not much, very little,
Oh,
very little, minor. Okay.
okay. Thanks. Yeah.
I'll explain that thing. Whenever I'm explaining Apex in LWC, just I'll give some information about list. Then I'll start. Okay.
Okay.
So not much, very little, minor. That's it.
Okay.
I'll explain it. If you don't have idea also, no issues.
Okay.
Okay, just I'm mentioning different types of options like a Volva. These are the different types of cores. So we have, anyone kindly please tell me the cores names, whatever it may be, Tata. Any other? Any other, please try to speak in the class.
What, sir?
What are the different types of cores are available? Cores,
Okay.
cores names. Okay. Let me try to display these three.
Tata,
Yeah,
Maruti
Tata.
Suzuki,
Maruti, yes, Maruti also. It is also one of the things. Let me try to mention that also.
Harrier.
Maruti. Okay. I think it's enough. 3, 4 is enough. Everyone able to see the list? So in the combo box it is came. You can select any of them. Yeah. So we'll use a lightning combo box whenever we are designing like LWC. Okay. Whenever you are designing lightning combo box. Okay. Yes. I think checkboxes I completed input type is equal to checkbox. Yeah. And another thing is like for example, if you want to display any date, okay, any date. So in LWC, we'll use okay, in LWC, we'll use lightning input. So we'll use lightning input type is equal to date, we'll use to represent date. But here, just let me try to discuss in HTML. The main agenda of LWC came from HTML only because here we will use input. Here there we have lightning input because we are using LWC. That's it. Nothing, not much difference. So let me try to discuss input type is equal to date. Okay, let me try to discuss my birthday or anyone of the birthday or Salesforce birthday. Okay. So what is the Salesforce birthday? What is the year of Salesforce birthday? Anyone knows?
1998.
1999.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you got it. See, so we are displaying the birth easily. We can select the year also. Really, they are great. Really, by typing some function immediately, they are getting the output. Okay, the people who started the HTML, really, they are great. I'll appreciate how they innovated all this information. Is it great, everyone?
Yeah, sir, definitely.
Definitely, really, I feel the great because now we are learning and now we are creating a web pages by using this type of functions. Whatever it would be, just I type input type date. Immediately, I got some birth date. Yeah, really, the architecture is really great. LWC is also it's very interactive as comparing to HTML. Yeah. Yeah, these are all the some things which we have been presented inside HTML. Yeah. These are all some things we needed for HTML in coming classes. Yeah. Mostly it will be repeated in our LWC classes also. I'll discuss the things. Okay. Everyone able to understand? So whatever I discussed about HTML. Any doubts? Hello, is I audible to everyone?
Yes.
What is the full form of CSS?
Cascading style sheet.
Mauli, can you please send your number in the chat? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we don't
Yesterday
have-
I said the number.
Mauli shared, I did not receive. Okay, no issues, no issues. Our team
Okay,
will contact
okay.
you.
No problem. Yeah.
Okay, so CSS is nothing but a cascading style sheets. Okay, so cascading style sheet to apply some stylings. Rana, you're able to understand? Shravan, everyone able to understand? The people who
Yes, sir.
attended?
Yes, sir.
Prati-
Yes, sir.
Pratima, Ankit, Shravan. Everyone able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. So there are different types of selectors are there. Okay, so let me try to display. Okay, how to the syntax. Let me see the syntax first of all. Selector property value. For example, you created some paragraph tag in the HTML. Okay, you need to use a dot notation to represent this. Dot P, and you need to display the font size, color, everything. Okay, you need to display like this. Okay, in CSS, we'll create a separate file in the CSS. Okay, separate file. There are different types of selectors are there. ID selector. Okay.
What does a selector mean?
I'll tell you. So what is the selector? First of all, select is used to find the HTML elements. Okay, it is used to find the HTML element. What are the things which you want to style? For example, in my HTML, if I declared as a paragraph tag, how CSS will identify like which tags we need to apply styling? By using selector. Selector is used to identify the which tags or which things you need to apply some styling. Okay. So we have a different types of selectors like ID selectors, class selectors. Okay. So for example,
Everything,
yes, everything.
everything is present on the HTML page.
Yeah.
That all elements we call the selector.
Yes. What are the things which we are presented in the HTML? Okay, like to represent that particular information in CSS. Okay, to find elements. Okay, so it is a thing. It is a thing to find the HTML elements. What are the things you want to style? It is nothing but a selectors. Okay, there are different types of selectors like element selector. Okay, element selector is nothing but, so here we applied p tag. Okay, the same thing. Just normally I'm using this selector. It is nothing but element selector. Just only it will apply the styling to this p tag only. Okay, and for example, if it's ID selector, okay, it will be identified separately to, for example, if you have multiple p tags. Okay, for example, if you mention ID. Okay, separately it is used to apply the styling to this particular element only. Like this, hash. So only for this particular p selector, only for this particular HTML, we can apply some styling. Yeah. It is nothing but ID selector. And coming to the class selector, for example, if you have multiple p tags, for example, if you have 5 p tags, if you want to apply some styling, if you mention p class is equal to so in the similar way, for example, if you have 5 p tags, the content is different. Okay, the content is different. You can use a dot notation for this representation. Everything I'll give you the notes. Okay, no worries. Everything, whatever I'm discussing, everything I'll provide you the notes. Okay. Yeah.
I didn't
like this.
understand the selector, sir.
Okay. So I'll show you. Okay. So whenever I applied some styling, you'll get to know. Okay. Okay. Whenever I use it to apply some styling in Visual Studio Code, you'll get to know. Nothing, I'll tell you. Okay. For example, if you design this information in HTML, okay. Rana, I'm saying, for example, you design this information in HTML. Yes. Okay. For example, if you want to apply some styling, okay. Some styling, you can use directly this thing in CSS. For example, there are, okay, separately. For example, if you have 5 p tags, only for the second p tag, you need to apply some styling. Okay, you can use ID selector. Okay, like to track the separate p, and you can use this information. You can use hash. Okay, for example, if you have 5 p tags, you need to apply styling to the 5 p tags. Okay, then we can use a dot notation to display these class selectors. That's it. To identify that particular tags, we can use selectors. Okay. I'll discuss. Let us take some examples. Okay, then you'll get some clear-cut picture. Okay, let me try to create one new HTML. So it is nothing but a CSS. I'm creating one HTML and also CSS. First of all, let me go to the HTML. Okay, I'm creating head. I'm creating title. This is CSS. Inside body, I'm representing all the information. Inside body, I'm representing all the information. Okay. So we need to connect this particular CSS to the HTML. How we can connect? In LWC, no need of connecting. Everything will be connected automatically. Okay, I'm saying again. So you need to connect like this. Okay, so what is my CSS? Okay, our property name is my CSS. Let me give as like a my CSS. Our file name is. In this way, just we need to connect HTML to CSS. Let me see ID selector, every select, okay, everything. Hello, everyone. Yeah, for example, if you want to apply some styling here, you can use .div tag. Okay, use font size 20 pixel and color. You can use yellow or aqua, something. Yes, this is the tag. For example, we'll use ID selector D. ID is equal to username. Okay, I am another selector. If you want to apply some styling, you need to use to this div tag only, hash username. Okay, for example, let me use a paragraph selectors. Sorry, class selectors, class. Just normally this is a class selector. I am class selector. To represent this particular information, so let me use dot para. Rana, now you are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try to practice everyone after completion of the classes. Okay. Okay. Let me try to, if you want to see the output, click on, okay, go live option. See, everyone able to see? So we are getting a different color. So even I'm using a single div tag also, I'm getting different colors. Everyone able to see? Let me use red, yellow, green instead of this. See, red, yellow, green. Everyone able to see? Is it looks attractive? Is it looks attractive? I'm not getting an answer from anyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it looks attractive? Just normally, just I'm displaying the text with like with the different types of stylings. That's it. With the different types of stylings. Okay, and another thing. Okay, coming to LWC, this particular width, padding, everything will be maintained by LWC only. So normally I'm saying this. For example, this is your LWC component. Okay, you need to apply some padding. Okay, you need to apply some width in CSS. Based on the accordance, based on the client requirement, you need to apply some width. And you need to apply some padding. And you need to apply some border. And you need to apply some margin. How the things have been around, I'll tell you. So for example, this is your LWC component. Okay, this is your entire LWC component. Okay, based on the client requirement, you need to arrange the width. Okay, you need to arrange the width, and after that, you need to arrange the padding. Okay, around there should be, you need to arrange the border. Okay, and also you need to arrange the margin around it. So based on the requirement, for example, this is the content. So whenever I'm discussing LW, but coming to LWC, okay, everything has been maintained by LWC only, easily. You don't need to concentrate on width, padding, everything. Yeah. So I'll give some tips also in coming classes. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry, I'll give some tips also. For example, if you want to apply some padding here, you need to apply some width.
Sir, tomorrow, can we do one example that cover all these at the beginning of the class?
So for what?
No, tomorrow when we start the class, can we do one example that cover all this again? Because it's very advanced.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So coming to this particular concepts, Rana, okay. So in LWC, it will be covered in very easy manner, okay. So normally just I'm discussing some basics, okay. So
Yeah, but tomorrow, all these basics, can we do them in one example with you? Like we do one exercise together?
exercise in terms I did not understand. Yeah.
No, yeah, like can we practice tomorrow before the class all these concepts
Yes,
again
yes,
in
yes,
one
yes.
one example, like one
Yeah, this
project
is
we work
1
together?
minute. Yes, yes. Coming to the project, okay, whenever we are discussing LWC component, Rana, so we'll try to involve each and everything again. Okay, then we can get to
Okay.
know. Okay, just normally here some basics. It's nothing but some basics. Okay, some basics. Whenever I'm discussing each and every LWC component, then you'll get to okay this basics. Okay, okay, these basics. Okay, this basics is very useful for you.
Okay. Can you make sure, sir, they upload the video early so we can review before the class tomorrow?
Okay, definitely, definitely. This will be uploaded early. Definitely, definitely.
Okay.
Just I'm applying. And what are the things which I'm showing? Don't panic. Don't panic. Everything will be covered again in LWC. Okay, everything. It will be very easy in LWC. Coming to CSS, it's somewhat difficult. But whenever I'm discussing LWC, it's very easy. Okay. I'll try to make you the things easy. Okay. Don't worry. I'm saying again.
Yeah.
Sir, in LWC, we will directly be using this SLDSS libraries, right?
Salesforce Lightning Design System. Yes, that is the thing which makes very easy. Yes,
yeah, just
yes.
copy and paste in the
Yes,
HTML
yes, yes,
tags.
yes. I'll discuss. Yes, yes, yes. Like some other person who's this Charan Reddy.
No, sir, Ankit.
Yes, Ankit. Yeah, like Rana. So we have some inbuilt libraries, Rana. By using that particular inbuilt libraries, automatically this padding will be applied. Okay, you need to
Okay.
don't try to remember all this. Just normally I'm discussing. Okay, you can use SLDS, text heading large something. See around medium. That's it. If you remember this line, every padding will be adjusted automatically, Ram. Okay, only this line.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, it's somewhat okay. Normally, I'm explaining everything. Yeah. Everything will be covered. Okay. See, as comparing to previous, there is inbuilt around the border. Okay, it should be applied some information. Everyone able to see? Everyone able to see?
Yes, sir.
The same thing in CSS coming to in HT. I mean that in LWC, it will be done in very easy manner. But here somewhat it will be complicated because it is CSS, cascading style sheets. Okay, somewhat it is very easy in LWC. In coming classes, I'll try to explain everything. Don't worry. Okay, try to see the video again if anyone are facing difficulties. Okay, and we'll try to explain it again in LWC. LWC, it's very easy. What are the things which I'm teaching? In LWC, it's very easy. And another thing, yeah, this is about, I think this is somewhat complicated topic. Let me try to start a new concept tomorrow. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. A small announcement. And the people who has been completed the registrations, okay, they will receive the drive access. Okay, like the regarding the notes, whatever it may be, I'll upload that particular notes in that particular drive. So the people who does not completed the registrations, kindly please contact the DURGASOFT team and complete it. Okay. Yeah. This is about the today's class. Just somewhat today's class is complicated. I can understand. Okay, try to see the video again and try to memorize the points. Okay, and no issues. Everything will be covered in LWC again. Just normally it's like a basics because some of them are very difficult in facing on basic steps and discussing these basics. Okay, everything will be conducted in LWC very separately. So as soon in future, okay, within 2 to 3 days we'll start LWC also. Yeah. This is about today's class. Yeah. Thank you, team. Thank you. Thank you for the comments. Yeah. If anyone have any doubts, kindly please stay in the call. Yes. Any doubts, Maulik?